Hello students, welcome to this online ALGA class. Today we will do revision of vowel diagrams. As you know about vowel diagrams, when two vowels combine to create a single vowel sound, they are called vowel diagrams. So let's start now. Sound is UI. UI as U. U as fruit. Fruit. Fruit, fruit. U as juice. U as juice. Next sound is UE. UE as U. UE makes sound U. U as blue. U as blue. Now go to SR3 long vowel diagram. First is UI diagram U. U as cruise, suit, juice, fruit, juice, suitcase, recruit, juicy. And the next diagram is UE. UE as U. U as blue, sue, flew, glue, true, due. Now we will read this. We pack our blue suits in a suitcase. We go on a cruise. Our friend has no clue. We go to eat. We only eat fruit and drink some juice. So this is long vowel diagram. So next is whole words. We will learn some new words today. First is different, different. And the sentence is, they were both different. The brothers were very different. Next word is begin, begin. The younger brother began chasing him. The deer began running. And the next is lasted, lasted. The chase lasted a long time. The fight lasted for 2 hours. Next word is never, never. I will never make this mistake again. We should never hurt anyone. So students, now go to SR4. We will read a story, The Goose That Laid the Golden Egg. Now let's start. Once there lived a poor man and his wife. They lived in a small hut. The man was a farmer and his wife helped him. Here is a poor man and his wife, and they lived in a small hut. Next, one day they found a goose. They brought it home. It was a very special goose. Every day the goose would lay a golden egg. So this made the couple very rich. If we could have the golden egg all at once, we could be richer much faster, said the man's wife. So his wife said, if she gives us eggs in one day, so we will become rich in a day. You are right, said her husband. We would not have to wait every day for the golden egg. So the couple killed the goose and cut her open. They found that she was just like any other goose. She had no golden eggs inside her at all. They had no more golden eggs. So they cut him. When they cut him, they don't have a golden egg. So students, it is told in this story that we should not be greedy. Now we will read vocabulary words. Goose, meaning is a large water bird with a long neck and short legs. And the example is, there is a big goose in the lake. Next word, special, meaning better or different from what is normal. And the example is, Riya had a special plan for her birthday. So students, in previous class we learned about the prepositions. They are used to show the position of an object. Sometimes they are also used to show time. So now we will see how the prepositions in and on are used to show time with examples. First is we came in time for the assembly. Next, we came on time for the assembly. What do you understand by these sentences? We came in time for the assembly. We came on time for the assembly. What is the difference in meaning between these two sentences? In time means before the agreed time. On time means to be exactly at the agreed time. So this is different. Let's look at another example. She arrived in time to catch the train. She arrived on time to catch the train. What is the difference between in or on? In means before the agreed time and on means to be exactly at the agreed time. So students, this is practice sheet WS5. These are 3 questions related to the story The Goose That Laid the Golden Egg. After that, grammar portion, prepositions. Now you will do yourself. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me, because you have also read the story and I got the prepositions done to you. So do yourself. First question is, how did the man and his wife become rich? C. What do you think is the meaning of the word special? Pick the correct option. Question number D. Why did the man and his wife kill the goose? So these are 3 questions. And the prepositions, fill in the blanks with in or an. Here you have to write in and on in the given space. So students, this is for today class. I hope you have understood well and will also do revision. Okay, bye students.